Hi, I'm Dave.
And I'm Mary, and together we own Natural Plus Nursery in Clear Lake, Iowa.
We are your favorite backyard nursery, serving North Iowa since 1978. We sell trees, shrubs, and perennials and love sharing our seasonal family business with our kids and you.
Here you'll learn about the plants you buy from us, how to care for them, and never before told behind the scenes look at our lives as nursery owners. This is the dirt from Natural Plus. Here we grow. Today I have a special guest with me to record an episode for the dirt from Natural Plus Nursery. And his name is, what's your name, bud? Holtan. And he's 9 years old and he has grown up here at Natural Plus Nursery, just like his daddy, Dave. And I wanted to get a little behind the scenes look at what it's like to be a kid here at Natural Plus Nursery. So, Holton, can you tell us what it's been like for you to grow up here at the nursery?
Yeah, fun.
Fun. What's fun about it?
Play hide and seek. Mm,
You like to plant things?
yeah,
You like to help water?
getting dirty, playing in the mud,
You do a lot of playing outside.
playing on the rock piles.
And last year you set up a little stand down in the A-frame, right?
Yeah,
What was on that?
rocks.
Yeah, reselling rocks.
Yeah,
They were a little bit expensive, but what's your favorite part about Natural Plus Nursery?
it's fun.
It's fun.
That's all I have to say.
Well, he's just like his daddy. He has very few words.
That's all.
That's
It's
all.
fun.
That's he thinks Natural Plus Nursery is really fun. So if you haven't been out to the nursery and you haven't had fun out here, we recommend that you stop out and see us. And every time that you do anything to support our nursery, sharing, telling a friend about it, buying a plant from us, spreading the good word of what we're doing here in our community here in Clear Lake, Iowa. Every time you do that, you help us to give this fun life to this sweet little boy. So we thank you. Can you say thank you?
Yeah. Also, one more thing.
Okay.
Running the carts around.
Ah, yes.
Collecting stuff.
Mm-hmm. Yep. We have carts that we put plants on, and you like to put stuff on it and move them around. And hopefully soon you can start running the register and checking people out. Is that it?
No.
You have more to add?
No.
Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you, Holton, for being our special guest and giving us a behind the scenes look at what it's like to be a kid here growing up at Natural Plus Nursery. The nursery is literally in your backyard. That's why we call it your favorite backyard nursery here in Clear Lake, Iowa. We have been here in business since 1978, and this is the second generation, and here's the third generation sitting right next to me. Are you going to own the nursery when you get bigger?
Yeah.
Oh, news to me. All right. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this episode with me and my special guest, Holton. And we look forward to seeing you out at the nursery very soon.
Yes.
Happy planting,
Why happy planting?
because we want everybody to be happy when they're planting.
Oh.
Thanks for listening to The Dirt from Natural Plus Nursery. If you dug this episode, subscribe to our newsletter so you never miss a tip, sale, or a behind the scenes look at our nursery business. Happy planting!